5:56 a.m. Walking the kayak through this kind of cornfield, hayfield. Trying to get to one of these good spots. There's spider webs everywhere. My feet are kind of getting wet from all the dew, but it's worth it. There's some big fish here. Let's see what we can catch. There's definitely bigger ones. Let's put it back in some more. That is unbelievable. I've been fishing this pond for 5 years. I've never caught one this big. You're not going in the water. Let's put this fish back. You can hear the frogs chirping, so they're eating them. Look at that fish. All right.